Today, we're diving into the exciting world of open source with a deep dive into some of the most innovative and talked about projects on GitHub. Get ready to explore groundbreaking tools in AI agents, developer productivity, and beyond. This is top trending open source GitHub projects this week, part 1, where we'll break down their unique features and why they're making waves in the tech community.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. All right. Let's get into today's video.
Project number 1, Suna, open source generalist AI agent. Today we're showcasing something truly special. Suna, the open source AI agent that's designed to be your proactive digital assistant. What truly sets Suna apart is its commitment to being fully open source while empowering you to accomplish real-world tasks with ease. Unlike many AI tools focused on just answering questions, Suna boasts a powerful and integrated toolkit that allows it to act directly on your behalf. Imagine instructing Suna to research your competitors. It can seamlessly automate browser interactions to navigate websites, extract crucial data, and organize it for you, even generating reports. This capability extends to file management for document creation and editing, as well as sophisticated web crawling and extended search capabilities to gather comprehensive information. For those needing more hands-on control, Suna can even execute command-line tasks and handle website deployment. The platform also integrates with various APIs and services, further expanding its potential. What makes this truly unique is the ability to orchestrate these diverse functionalities through simple, natural conversations, allowing you to automate complex workflows. Moreover, Suna's architecture includes isolated agent execution environments for enhanced security, and it supports multi-LLM integration, offering flexibility in how it processes information. The fact that Suna can be self-hosted on your own infrastructure provides an added layer of control and customization. This powerful combination of open-source flexibility and the ability to perform concrete actions makes Suna a truly generalist AI agent. Project number 2, Rowboat, AI-powered multi-agent builder. We're diving into a fascinating project called Rowboat, an open-source AI-powered multi-agent builder that's truly changing the game. What makes Rowboat stand out is its focus on empowering you to build complex, multi-agent workflows in mere minutes, all starting from a simple idea. Forget about tedious setup and intricate coding. Rowboat allows you to describe your desired outcome, like building an assistant for customer support or content creation, and its Copilot feature will intelligently construct the necessary agents and their interactions for you. This rapid development is powered by its integration with OpenAI's Agents SDK, giving you access to cutting-edge AI capabilities in an accessible way. Furthermore, Rowboat facilitates seamless integration with your existing infrastructure by allowing you to connect to MCP servers and import your own tools. Once your multi-agent system is built, Rowboat offers flexible integration options through a straightforward HTTP API and a Python SDK, making it easy to incorporate these powerful AI workflows directly into your applications. This combination of rapid, AI-driven workflow creation, open-source flexibility, and versatile integration capabilities truly positions Rowboat as a unique and powerful tool for anyone looking to harness the power of multi-agent AI systems. You can even self-host Rowboat as it's available on GitHub. Project number 3, OpenCode, a powerful terminal-based AI assistant for developers. We're taking a look at OpenCode, a project that's bringing AI assistance directly to your terminal, and that's one of the first things that makes it truly unique. Instead of switching between your code editor and a web browser, OpenCode provides an interactive terminal user interface, TUI, built with Bubble Tea, offering a smooth and integrated experience right where you code. But it goes beyond just chat. OpenCode stands out with its broad support for multiple AI providers, including OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, AWS Bedrock, and Grok, giving you the flexibility to choose the models that best suit your needs. What's even more powerful is its tool integration capabilities. Imagine an AI that can not only understand your coding questions but also execute commands in your terminal, search through your project files, and even modify your code based on your instructions. This direct actionability within the terminal environment is a game-changer for developer workflows. Furthermore, OpenCode implements the Model Context Protocol, MCP, a standardized way to connect and interact with external tools and services, significantly extending its capabilities beyond the built-in features. It also integrates the Language Server Protocol, LSP, to provide code intelligence features like diagnostics, right within your terminal workflow. Being an open-source project means you have transparency, the ability to contribute, and the freedom to adapt it to your specific requirements. Project number 4, VoltAgent, Open-Source TypeScript AI Agent Framework. We're spotlighting VoltAgent, an open-source TypeScript framework that truly stands out for building and orchestrating AI agents. What makes VoltAgent unique is its commitment to providing a fully transparent and customizable platform for developers. Unlike closed-source alternatives, VoltAgent offers modular building blocks that allow you to define individual agents with specific roles, tools, and memory. But the real power lies in its support for multi-agent systems, where you can architect complex applications by coordinating multiple specialized agents using supervisors. VoltAgent also heavily emphasizes extensibility through its package system and robust tooling and integrations, notably supporting the Model Context Protocol, MCP, for standardized interaction with a wide range of external tools and services. This allows your agents to perform real-world tasks seamlessly. Furthermore, VoltAgent provides built-in capabilities for data retrieval and retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, along with comprehensive memory management to create more context-aware agents. You're also not locked into a single AI provider, as VoltAgent offers flexible LLM support, working with major players like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic. Finally, the inclusion of a visual VoltAgent console for monitoring and debugging, along with developer-friendly tools like Create VoltAgent app, makes the development process efficient and insightful. Project number 5, Parallax Podcast, an open-source platform to create AI-powered podcasts, audiobooks, and audio articles. We're showcasing Parallax Podcast, an open-source platform that's truly unique in the realm of AI-powered content creation. What sets Parallax apart is its core commitment to being fully open-source, offering complete transparency and the freedom to adapt the platform to your exact needs. Unlike many closed-source alternatives, Parallax empowers you to generate your own podcasts, audiobooks, and audio articles using the power of AI from various sources like simple prompts, uploaded documents, images, and even web searches. This central focus on AI-driven content generation across multiple audio formats in an open environment is a key differentiator. Furthermore, Parallax places a strong emphasis on data privacy, ensuring your projects and data remain yours without tracking or middlemen. The platform also provides self-hosting freedom, allowing you to run your own instance with ease. Beyond this, Parallax boasts a customizable UI and features, letting you tailor the platform experience, and it's built to be developer-friendly with extensibility and integration in mind. Built with modern technologies like Next.js, React, TypeScript, and Node.js, Parallax offers a powerful and flexible solution for anyone looking to create AI-powered audio content while maintaining control and transparency. Project number 6, MetaMCP, your central AI control hub. We're highlighting a truly innovative project called MetaMCP, and what makes it exceptionally unique is its role as a unified middleware layer designed to manage all your machine conversation protocol, MCP, servers in one place. Imagine having a single, intuitive interface to oversee and control various MCP integrations, whether they're running locally or remotely. MetaMCP provides exactly that. Unlike other tools that might focus on a single MCP server, MetaMCP acts as a central hub, supporting any MCP client you might be using, including popular choices like Claude Desktop and Cursor. This universal compatibility is a game-changer, eliminating the need to juggle multiple configurations or worry about client-server compatibility issues. Furthermore, MetaMCP offers comprehensive management capabilities by supporting not just tools, but also prompts and resources within the MCP ecosystem. This centralized approach extends to organization with its multi-workspace feature, allowing you to keep different AI configurations completely isolated, preventing any unwanted context mixing. The ability to toggle tools on or off at a granular level provides an added layer of control and customization. Whether you opt for the free and open-source self-hosted version for unlimited access and lower latency, or the convenient cloud version, MetaMCP empowers you to streamline your interactions with multiple MCP servers through a single, powerful application. This centralized, client-agnostic, and feature-rich approach truly distinguishes MetaMCP as a one-of-a-kind solution for managing your AI landscape. Project number 7, OpenMCP, universal access to web APIs for your AI. We're taking a look at a truly innovative project called OpenMCP, and what makes it incredibly unique is its fundamental role as both a standard and an open-source registry designed to connect your AI tools with the vast landscape of web APIs. Think of it as a universal translator for the internet, specifically built for the Model Context Protocol (MCP) ecosystem. Unlike individual integrations or custom solutions, OpenMCP provides a standardized method for converting virtually any web API into an MCP server. This means that MCP-compatible clients, like Claude and Cursor, can gain the ability to interact with a wide range of services, from fetching real-time data to performing actions across countless domains, all in a token-efficient manner. The beauty of OpenMCP lies in its open registry. This growing collection of servers, built using the OpenMCP standard, offers a diverse set of functionalities, empowering your large language models, LLMs, to access and utilize information and services they couldn't previously reach. Moreover, OpenMCP provides clear guidelines and tools for developers to create their own MCP servers from existing web APIs supporting formats like REST, gRPC, and GraphQL. The project also simplifies the process of adding these servers to your MCP clients through command line tools and manual configuration options. In essence, OpenMCP's uniqueness lies in its standardized, open, and comprehensive approach to bridging the gap between the vast potential of web APIs and the intelligent capabilities of AI assistants, creating a truly interconnected and powerful ecosystem. Project number 8: TigerBeetle, the financial transactions database designed for mission-critical safety and performance. We're diving into TigerBeetle, a project that truly stands out in the world of databases. What makes TigerBeetle unique is its fundamental design as a financial transactions database built from the ground up for mission-critical safety and unparalleled performance. It's not just another general-purpose database. TigerBeetle is specifically engineered to power the next 30 years of online transaction processing, OLTP, with a core focus on the integrity and speed of financial operations. The project's design decisions heavily emphasize both safety and performance, addressing the crucial needs of financial services and other industries requiring reliable and high-throughput transaction processing. Unlike traditional databases, TigerBeetle incorporates debit/credit primitives directly into its architecture, reflecting its specialized purpose. Furthermore, it boasts a unique approach to its local storage engine and global consensus protocol, which are key to achieving its impressive performance and safety guarantees. This focus on core financial transaction needs, combined with its innovative architectural choices for safety and performance, positions TigerBeetle as a distinctly powerful and reliable solution in the database landscape. It's an open-source project available on GitHub, inviting scrutiny and community contribution. Project number 9, Together Deep Research, an open-source TypeScript deep research implementation. We're showcasing Together Deep Research, an open-source project that brings a unique approach to online research. What truly sets this project apart is its TypeScript-based implementation. Unlike many research tools that might be in Python, this choice offers type safety and a better developer experience for those familiar with JavaScript and TypeScript ecosystems. But it goes beyond just the language. Together Deep Research aims for comprehensive topic exploration that requires multi-hop reasoning. Think of it as more than just a keyword search. It's designed to mimic the human research process, including planning, searching, evaluating information, and iterating until completion. This allows it to generate long-form, well-cited content on complex subjects. Another key feature is its multi-stage process with self-reflection, which helps in gathering quality information. The project also boasts an extensible architecture and offers model flexibility by supporting multiple large language models, LLMs, for different stages of the research. You can even customize the research depth and output format through configurable parameters. Built upon the foundations of the Python-based Open Deep Research from Together AI, this TypeScript version leverages Together AI for LLM inference and EXA for its web search API, making it a powerful and adaptable tool for in-depth topic understanding. Project number 10: Roo Code, your AI-powered development team inside your editor. We're taking a look at Roo Code, a truly unique project that brings the power of an AI-powered autonomous coding agent directly into your code editor. What makes Roo Code stand out is that it essentially gives you a whole development team of AI agents right where you code. Imagine being able to communicate in natural language and have an AI read and write files directly in your workspace, run terminal commands, and even automate browser actions. But it goes much further with its ability to integrate with virtually any OpenAI-compatible or custom AI model. A key differentiator is its innovative custom modes feature, allowing you to define specialized personas and capabilities tailored to specific tasks, effectively creating unlimited specialized AI assistants for security auditing, QA, or even product management. Roo Code also comes packed with smart tools, notably its support for the Model Context Protocol, MCP, which enables you to integrate with external APIs, databases, and create highly specialized development tools, significantly extending its functionality. Furthermore, it offers multiple modes like Code, Architect, Ask, and Debug, providing focused assistance for various stages of development. The combination of an in-editor AI team, natural language interaction, extensive integration capabilities through MCP, and highly customizable modes makes Roo Code a truly groundbreaking tool for boosting development efficiency. Alright everyone, that wraps up part 1 of our look at this week's top trending open-source GitHub projects. I hope you found these introductions insightful. Let me know in the comments which project you found most interesting. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more deep dives into open source, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss part 2 where we'll explore even more amazing projects. Thanks for watching.